I recently became 64, but I still want to share my ideas, knowledge and experience about building an overland vehicle, or in general a leisure van. And one of the things that is important for me is not losing much time before we can have a drink or prepare our meal. I'll show you how quick it can go before we sit on the table. Time starts when I open the back door. The same counts for our kitchen. We want with one kitchen equipment being able to cook outside and inside. Outside when it's good weather and inside when the weather is bad. On every journey you have a day of bad weather, rain, cold wind, above 2,500 meters in the mountains. Everything is possible, but we want to be prepared. When the kitchen is in the outside position, we want a very short time to put it inside. I show you. are ready to cook inside. Being retired and having some more time, we wanted a multifunctional overland vehicle or leisure van, capable of doing a normal weekend get out, a city trip, fitting in the small parking lots of the supermarket, as well as being able of going on winding mountain roads to a deserted old village, being able to go off-road in the mountains high up, as well as going to the deserts or overlanding trip to Morocco or further country. But for us it was important to have a fixed bed. Sometimes it's a long day, it's bad weather, and you want directly going to your bed without having a lot of work to do. And we wanted an inside and outside kitchen and a certain level of comfort.